To find things on Hacoo, the process is quite simple. Starting from the Home button, located at the bottom left, you can scroll down to explore various options that are tailored to your interests, as indicated by the For You feed at the top left. Alternatively, you can scroll left and right below the search box to browse different categories, such as secondhand items, Hacoo goods, fashion, beauty, home, shoes, and more. Each category allows you to scroll up and down to discover a wide range of items if you're looking for something specific. You can use the search box at the top, which also displays hot searches and your search history. For example, if you're searching for necklaces, you can type the word in, and Hacoo will suggest relevant results. Once you've found an item you like, you can click on it to view more details and similar items. Additionally, you can find products by images by using the Find Product by Image feature. Overall, finding things on Hacoo is a straightforward process, and you can easily discover a vast array of items by exploring the various categories and using the search functions.